A wooden table often sits at the heart of our homes. It witnesses countless shared meals, conversations, and memories. Over time, these cherished pieces may bear the marks of their journey, with scratches and blemishes telling tales of their rich history. While these imperfections can add character, maintaining the table's appearance ensures it remains a source of pride for years to come. Scratches can detract from the table's beauty. They disrupt the smooth, polished surface that reflects light and enhances the wood's natural grain. Ignoring these blemishes can lead to more significant damage, potentially impacting the wood's integrity. Fortunately, with the right tools and techniques, anyone can master the art of table touch-ups. By addressing scratches and marks promptly, you can restore your table's elegance and preserve its timeless appeal. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle these minor repairs, ensuring your wooden table remains a cherished centerpiece for generations to come. Before embarking on your table touch-up journey, it's essential to gather the right tools. These instruments will become your allies in erasing imperfections and restoring your table's former glory. Burn-in sticks. Available in various wood tones, these magical sticks melt into scratches, filling them seamlessly. Wax sticks. These crayon-like sticks offer a quick and easy solution for concealing minor scratches and blemishes. Grain markers. These fine-tipped markers mimic the look of natural wood grain, adding realism to your repairs. Sandpaper, essential for smoothing out repairs and blending them with the surrounding surface. Opt for fine grit sandpaper, 220 grit or higher, for best results. Finishing varnish. A matching varnish is crucial for sealing your repairs and restoring the table's original luster. Having these tools at the ready will empower you to tackle any scratch or mark with confidence. Remember, the key to successful touch-ups lies not just in the technique, but also in using the appropriate materials for the job. Burn-in repairs work wonders on deeper scratches and dents that penetrate the wood surface. These sticks, made of pigmented resin, melt into the damaged area, filling it and creating a solid base for subsequent touch-ups. First, select the right shade. Choose a burn-in stick that closely matches the lightest shade within the scratch. Next, prepare the stick. Using a sharp knife or blade, carefully shave off a small amount of the burn-in stick. This creates a molten pool for easier application. Then apply with precision. Using a heated metal tool, a soldering iron works well. Gently melt the shavings into the scratch. Work in thin layers, allowing each to cool before applying the next. Finally, remove excess. Once the scratch is filled, use the heated tool to scrape away any excess burn-in material. Ensure the surrounding area remains untouched. Burn-in repairs provide a solid foundation for further touch-up work. By carefully matching the color and applying the material with precision, you can effectively conceal deep scratches and blemishes. Wax sticks offer a quick and straightforward solution for addressing minor scratches, scuffs, and imperfections on your wooden table. These crayon-like sticks come in various wood tone shades, allowing for precise color matching. First, choose your weapon. Select a wax stick that closely resembles the color of the area you wish to repair. Next, apply with a gentle touch. Rub the wax stick over the scratch, applying light pressure to fill the void. For deeper scratches, build up the wax in thin layers, allowing each to dry before applying the next. Then, blend and buff. Once the scratch is filled, use your finger or a soft cloth to blend the wax seamlessly into the surrounding wood. Buff the area gently to enhance the shine and create a uniform finish. Wax sticks provide a convenient and effective way to conceal minor imperfections on your wooden table. Their ease of use and versatility make them an indispensable tool in any furniture restorer's arsenal. Section 5. Recreating nature's artistry, drawing realistic grain lines. One of the keys to achieving a truly invisible repair is replicating the wood's natural grain pattern. Grain markers, available in various shades and nib sizes, allow you to mimic these intricate details with remarkable accuracy. First, study the grain. Before you begin, carefully examine the surrounding wood grain. Pay close attention to the direction, thickness, and color variations within the pattern. Next, choose your weapon. Select a grain marker that matches the lightest shade within the existing grain lines. Then channel your inner artist. Using light, feathery strokes, carefully draw in the missing grain lines, following the direction and flow of the surrounding pattern. Avoid pressing too hard, as this can create unnatural-looking lines. Finally, layer and blend. For a more realistic effect, layer different shades of grain markers to mimic the depth and complexity of the natural grain. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab to gently blend the lines, creating a seamless transition. Drawing grain lines is an art that takes practice and a keen eye for detail. By carefully observing the existing grain and using the right techniques, you can create remarkably realistic repairs that blend seamlessly with the surrounding wood. Section 6. The finishing touch. Achieving a seamless blend. After addressing the scratch or blemish, it's crucial to blend the repair seamlessly with the surrounding finish. This step ensures a professional-looking result that restores the table's original beauty. 1. Smooth operator. Using fine grit sandpaper, at least 220 grit, lightly sand the repaired area. Sand in the direction of the wood grain using gentle, even strokes. 2. Clean and prepare. Once sanded, remove any dust particles using a tack cloth or a slightly damp cloth. Ensure the surface is clean and dry before proceeding. 3. Varnish for protection. Using a matching finishing varnish, apply a thin, even coat over the repaired area. Extend the varnish slightly beyond the repair to ensure a seamless blend. 4. Patience is key. Allow the varnish to dry completely according to the manufacturer's instructions. If necessary, apply additional thin coats, sanding lightly between each coat. By following these finishing steps, you'll create a smooth, even surface that blends seamlessly with the surrounding finish. Your repaired table will regain its luster, looking as good as new. Section 7. Shielding your table's splendor. Tips for long-lasting beauty. Once you've successfully repaired your wooden table, it's essential to protect it from future damage. By adopting a few simple habits, you can preserve the table's beauty and keep it looking its best for years to come. Use coasters and placemats. Always use coasters under beverages and placemats beneath hot dishes to prevent heat and moisture damage. Wipe up spills promptly. Address spills immediately to prevent liquids from penetrating the wood and causing staining. Dust regularly. Dust your table regularly with a soft, dry cloth to remove dust and debris that can scratch the surface. Consider a protective layer. Applying a tablecloth or table runner can provide an extra layer of protection against spills, scratches, and heat exposure. Remember, prevention is key to maintaining your table's pristine condition. By incorporating these simple practices into your routine, you can ensure your wooden table remains a cherished centerpiece for many years. Section 8. Real-world restoration, witnessing the transformation. Let's witness the transformative power of table touch-ups through a real-world example. Imagine a beautiful oak dining table, bearing the marks of countless family gatherings. A deep scratch mars its surface, a constant reminder of a misplaced serving dish. Using the techniques outlined in this guide, we can breathe new life into this cherished piece. First, we'll address the deep scratch with a burn-in stick, carefully melting and blending the resin to fill the void. Next, we'll use a wax stick to conceal any remaining imperfections and blend the repair further. To replicate the intricate grain pattern, we'll employ grain markers, meticulously redrawing the missing lines with precision. Finally, we'll sand the area smooth and apply a matching varnish, creating a seamless transition between the repair and the surrounding finish. The result? The once prominent scratch vanishes, blending flawlessly with the surrounding wood. The table regains its former glory, standing proudly as a testament to the power of restoration. Section 9. Conclusion. The joy of reviving time-worn treasures. Mastering the art of table touch-ups empowers you to become the custodian of your furniture's legacy. By addressing scratches and marks, you're not just restoring a surface, you're preserving memories and breathing new life into cherished pieces. With the right tools and techniques, anyone can achieve professional-looking results, transforming blemishes into badges of honor that tell the story of your table's journey. So embrace the satisfaction of reviving your time-worn treasures and let your wooden table continue to be a source of pride and joy for generations to come.